guys, it's Islamic Credit Coach with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about how long is a credit report good for? A lot of people come to me and say, you know, Rolando, I have bad credit, but I have an old credit report. And you use that report to give me a credit evaluation. Credit reports change every single day. There is no time frame as to when a credit report might change. But if you have older accounts, they might not be with the original creditor. They might not even be with the same collection company. The old report, the old history, one might not even be there, might be with a different company, and can be completely different from the new credit report. Guys, so if you're looking to repair your credit, go to sites. I'll put some down in the link below. We'll be able to get a new credit report and see what is reporting now. See you guys soon.